Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Abac electric air compressor is a powerful and reliable solution designed to meet the needs of both hobbyists and professionals. Its sturdy construction and efficient design make it a durable and versatile tool. It features a tank that allows extended use without frequent recharges. The oil lubrication ensures greater motor longevity, reducing mechanical wear and improving operational efficiency. Among its main technical features, the pumping unit with cooling manifold keeps the temperature under control, enhancing efficiency. The belt drive and single-stage pump ensure smooth and stable operation. Its practical design guarantees easy maneuverability of the compressor. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.